There we go. That's a little neater. You can see the arm goes up without power, and as soon as I get the elbows properly wired in, I'm able to bend like this to give a sort of a mid-level punch, and the arm can swing back and forward to get some really good punches. And the arm is a little more level, at least it doesn't twist around as it goes up, because I made this sort of brace to go on there. So it attaches to the frame at this end, and there's 4 points of contact instead of the 2, because what was happening is the arm was rolling over the single circular piece. So now that I have 4 points of contact, it's less likely to roll. The only problem is the way that it is right now. When I glued this piece together on there, it got a little warped in the process. So the arm is a little twisted and bent, but it can at least lift up and give a bit of a different sort of punch. I'll just lower it back down. And there we have it. You can do 2 different sorts of punches, a low punch and that upper higher punch. And that is pretty neat. I'll pick up the camera so I can show you a bit of funny business going on in there. Now, the only problem I can see with this arm mechanism, you can see that funny little loop structure keeping the arm at a proper angle, is that these tend to flex around a bit, well, quite a lot. So I'm going to need to put a couple cross braces on these to keep them from going anywhere. And of course, wire up the elbows. I might actually have to make these cables longer because I don't think they'll fit up in there. And put in the Waldo mechanism. I don't know, I might build some new ones or just salvage what I got. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you know people who like giant robots, share it with others. So until next time, keep playing with your mech's armpits. Bye-bye.